Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. Today, I'm not going to be cooking with my dad. I'm going to be cooking by myself. Today, I'll be making you a classic American corn dogs. Sigla. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. So here we have corn meal, flour, salt, baking powder, black pepper, fresh, and sugar. Put this all into a bowl at once and mix. So let's put this to the side and let's beat egg. This is just one full egg and milk. One. And just mix them together. I have my dry and wet ingredients ready. I also have my oil ready to start frying. So I could actually turn this on and wait for that to heat up. And I also have my skewers here, and I'm gonna start putting in, preparing the hot dog. Whoops, that was not supposed to. While I'm waiting for my oil to reach 170 to 175 degrees, I'm gonna continue making my batter. So here I have the wet ingredients. You just put this into here. Dry ingredients. I sort of made a well because I wanted to, and then you start mixing all up. Okay, so I move my batter into a glass here, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is basically, I'm gonna put this inside, and when you take it out, there's gonna be a lot of batter. So wait for it to drip because you don't want too much batter. Okay, so that should be enough. Okay, cook these for around 3 minutes. As you can see, that's a nice golden brown color, so they are ready to be removed. With a paper towel so it absorbs any excess oil. This one, once again, 3 minutes. It's already gone by. Take this one out. Yeah, I already done one. Those are nice looking. And there you have it, a simple snack for a simple afternoon. These, ladies and gentlemen, are my beautiful corn dogs. Let's try. Wow. They're very soft. Just want to show you. It's like a sponge. These, ladies and gentlemen, these are so easy to do. I mean, that took us like 10 minutes. Okay, you know what to do. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell. If you ever need the quantity of the ingredients, always put in the comment box below. I hope you have a great day. Ciao.